huge crappie.
It's a huge crappie. All right, guys, welcome to another episode of Team Yukon Outdoors. As most of you know, we just got cold really fast in Minnesota. I am in a mad scramble right now with Andrew Osowski. We just packed up the car, packed up the Blazer, and we're heading northbound. Brent was on ice yesterday. We didn't really know we were going to be filming this weekend, and here we are. We're running north, so stay tuned. It's going to be a great ride. All right, so we just got on the road, and of course we didn't leave early enough, so we're stuck in the good old Twin Cities 494 rush hour traffic. So I don't know when we're gonna get up there, but if this shows you anything about how not prepared we are, look at the back of the Blazer right now. We have everything and anything because everything and anything is in all our boxes and we're not organized at all. So this is gonna be a really interesting trip, and yeah. Alright, well, we've stopped to get gas in good old Akeley, Minnesota, and it is 0 degrees, 0 degrees, 0 degrees. I don't know, we saw -2 or -3. I haven't felt below freezing yet this year, so I'm freezing. This is also the first snow we've seen all year. Give me my receipt. God, I'm freezing, man. Oh, this is gonna be rough. All right, we made it to Bemidji. It's about midnight now, and we gotta get rods ready, unfortunately, to wake up early in the morning. There's a cat grabbing my leg right now. 100% cat saying hi. Yeah, so the cat says hi, but we are definitely in Bemidji right now. It's late, but getting ready for morning. I'm gonna switch over to Brent here. I gotta flip the camera around.
What's going on?
But we're getting ready. I don't know, Brent, we're heading out to some farm ponds or what?
Yeah, it's a really little kind of backwater lake. I was out there today and actually stumbled upon a few big crappies, so hopefully we can get after it tomorrow. It only gets about 15, 16 feet deep. So hopefully, 3 guys drilling a bunch of holes, hopping around, we should be able to dial in pretty good. So I know Andrew's the panfish master, so hopefully he can teach us something.
What are ice conditions like up here right now?
They're not bad. There's still a lot of open water around, but there's quite a few lakes with safe ice. We haven't had any snow recently, so we're sitting at about 3.5, 4 inches on a lot of lakes, which I'm comfortable walking on. You got to take the right safety precautions and stuff, wear picks, maybe a life jacket every now and then. I always fish with a buddy, but other than that, I'm ready to get after it, so we'll see what happens.
All right, but like we said, it's late. We're rigging up, but we're peacing out for the night. We'll see you in the morning. We are up in northern Minnesota. Like I said yesterday, we traveled all the way up. It's about I think 9 o'clock right now. We're gonna get up super early to go out, but it was so cold and pretty dang windy that we decided to let it go just a little bit, let a little bit more ice build. And we're heading out to those ponds. Relo talked about it last night. They're tiny. There's not a lot of water frozen over up here right now. You kind of have to search for it. So we're going out and hopping to a bunch of new water in hopes of maybe crossing paths with some decent fish. So we'll see how today goes. Stay tuned. It's going to be a good time. There's one. I think this is bluegill again. The bluegills have been pretty big though. Oh, it's a seed. Wrapped up in the deucer, but fish is gorgeous. Northern Minnesota pumpkin seeds, man. They're so bright and colored. I got like 4 more fish back down there. I gotta get back down there. Oh, that one just crushed it. It's a bit wrong. They are absolutely smashing this thing. It is ridiculous. It's like these fish have never even seen food before. It's nuts. Oh my god.
Look at that pretty fat little girl. Not really what we're going for nor expecting, but look how tall that pumpkin seed
is. That's a big seed, dude. Perch. Didn't know those were in here. Wow. This thing just came shooting off at the bottom, but I mean, that's a solid perch right there. Not what we're looking for, but it'll work. I don't know, this little duck slough that Rello found that we're in is a lot of different species in it. Andrew caught a pike earlier, and then we've caught crappie, bluegill, and pumpkin seeds. Healthy and a lot of fish. We've been grinding all day trying to find these suckers. This is the smallest one, but there's more down there. And that. I'll be back in a sec. Get back down, crappie.
Why is he in the same school as a crappie?
I don't know.
Why are they schooled up together?
That is big. That is really big. Back. You might line off ice. It's a huge crappie. Enormous. Oh God.
There you go, buddy, right there.
There's a pig, man.
Nice job, man.
Yeah, this ice is really thin, so it just cracked. But
Look how he ate that
just
drop kick.
engulfed it. See you later, honey.
Here we go.
How's it going, guys? Just got back from the Bemidji area. Had to shower real quick, and now I'm tearing apart this film and getting ready to edit the first vlog episode for us. But it was a good time up in the area. Early ice is always a great time. We got into a decent bite, nothing too spectacular. We couldn't really fish any of the lakes we love fishing up there, so it was more just about getting out and kind of busting into everything for the year. But this whole vlogging thing is a brand new experience for us. It was definitely fun. We like showing you guys everything behind the scenes, but
We also want to know what you want to see in terms of in these vlogging episodes. You know, you guys gave us some great ideas for shows. We're actually going to go out and do some of it this next weekend. But, you know, I got a absolute ton of clam jigs to give away. So I want to see, you know, comment below, like this video, and subscribe to our channel. And let us know what you all want to see in the episodes. Do you want to see, you know, game planning the night before, what we're thinking about doing? Do you want to see us, you know, mainly fishing on the ice? Do you want to see driving behind the scenes? Do you want to see a little bit of everything? I don't know what it is. Let us know. This is a completely different format for us. We've never really done before, and it's completely experimental. So make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and please, you know, if you want to win some clam jigs, just let us know what you want to see. We want the feedback. So yeah, thank you for watching another episode of Team Yukon Outdoors, where we are always keeping the tradition going.